Hi everyone. Uh, Hi, everyone. My name's Oliver. I'm from Denmark, and I'm actually a high school teacher. And I want to make this video in English for everyone at home. This is a couple of exercises from the Danish high school exams before graduating, going to college. This is just two straight up. I will probably make more and then edit it, but this is from the part where you don't have any help with you, so you cannot use your calculator, stuff like that. And the first one is you're given a function f here, and find the following things. Determine f mark of x. So we need to differentiate the the function without any help. And to do that, we take the rule is you take the exponent and minus one, and the two will get dropped down to the 13, and you have to multiply that. So that would be 2 multiplied by 13, that's 26x, which are the f mark of x. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. These types of exercises are also for, I guess we the is for the intermittent level of math. We divide it into C, B, and A, where A is the most difficult. So this is a B level. And now we have found f mark. We need to determine f mark when we put when x is 1, and then f mark is pretty simple. Is 1 is like 26 multiplied by 1, which are 26. In the case we were given if x mark were 2, it will be 26 multiplied by 2, which are uh, 6. That's 52, sorry. And that's just plain simple. You had to, the numbers that are in here, we had to put it into the x part, or the x variable. Then we have a second exercise. A function g is given to you by this. We need to determine g of 1 and then g mark 1. And I guess you guys love my bad accent. Which are, we take 8. The first one we don't need to do anything less, anything other than put 1 in. Plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Here 1, which are 15. Sorry, I'm a bit slow. And then we just help. I guess it's pretty straightforward, but if you are getting started by learning all these functions and stuff like that, yeah. So we now do the same as up here. We have a 2, which plus, sorry, and then here there's an invisible 1. So again, if we need to take the 1 and minus 1, it will get 0. So we drop the x and have the here, which are multiplied through an x here, which are 16x plus 1. Oh, sorry, x plus 5, sorry. And to get this, 16 plus 5, which are so determine an equation for the tangent line to the graph g in point 1. And here we have actually already found the 1.15, the y coordinate, by putting x equals to 1 into the function. So instead of this, where we have the coordinate as a function of g, we can say it is 15. So we need to determine an equation for the tangent line. The formula for a tangent line is uh, we call it just y. X0 plus x here minus x0 x0 and x0. Sorry, this is just the general formula to make sense. I'll call it T. And here we always already have it, which are y equals to g of 1, which are 15 plus 21 x minus 0, which are 1. Then 15, 21x minus 21 are 21x minus 6, which should be the tangent line in that point. We can straight, and this is how you find the tangent line. You basically differentiate an equation, and how it works is when you have a function, a second order function, you want to basically downgrade it to the point to a linear equation, which will be the tangent line. And the tangent line here should be 21x minus 6. In order to test if what I did is correct, I just define the function by putting the semicolon in, and I'll press enter, and I'm calculating g x. X is equal to 1 and it's 15, so we did that right. And calculate f mark of x, and then calculate f mark of x equal to 1, and that's 21, and then call it tangent line, and define that function, which are 15 plus 21 multiplied by x and x minus 1 here. And we have the tangent line function here. We can go, to, yeah. So we just do that again, right? So in order to test if what we did calculate is correct, we define the function by putting semicolon here and press enter. Then we calculate it if g of x of x equals to 1. Sorry, that's 15. And then we calculate g mark of x, which is also correct, and g mark x equals to 1, which is 21, and we calculate the tangent line function here. 15 plus 21 multiplied by, and adding a parentheses, x. That's the tangent line function. Then we use GeoGebra, and it's in Danish, of course, so probably you don't understand, but we can here in the online version, plot our function. Sorry, 2x plus 2, which are our function here, our parabola, the point on the graph of 15 there, and the tangentline function, which we just add by 21x minus 6. And you can see it cut through our point in only one place. So that's fulfilled. So everything is correct. And we used Mabel here in the to just check. So you also now know what and how you can check yourself when